This is our React form, and here we have one field, and this is the code for the field. Here we have made a class search bar, which is extending the React component, and here we are rendering a JXX, and this is the form. So it's very understandable. It's very simple. Here we have input, and when on change, we change the state of the input value. So we can remove this function. So here we are updating the state property term, and when on enter the form here when we will enter, so we will call this function. So here we are preventing it from the default behavior of the form, which is the submit the form and refresh the whole page, and we are printing the data. So let's do that. So here we are getting errors, which is state undefined, so we can easily remove that with this. We have to make a constructor function, and here we are passing the props, and this is parent props, and now we have to set a state in it, and now this is this dot state, and we have defined a default value, or we can leave it empty. And now this dot on form submit equals to this dot on form submit dot bind with this. So this is the basic JavaScript behavior to bind the on form submit component, on form submit method with this class search bar. So we are doing it in the constructor. So let's save it, and now refresh the page. Now type something and enter. See this, we are getting the data. That's it.